once again sa ating mga kasambahay na lagi pong nakatutok sa atin dito sa UNTV Cup at katatapos lamang po ng second game kung saan pinatunayan ng Senate Defenders na silang most improved team ngayong Season 3 sa pagpapatumba po nila sa DOJ Justice Boosters sa score na 81-75. At habang hinihintay natin ang ating final game for today, ito po, alamin muna natin kung ano nga bang masasabi ng mga UNTV Cup fans kung ano nga ba sa palagay nila ang pinakamalakas na koponan sa liga. Let's watch this.
Anong team ang pinakamalakas na team para sa inyo ngayong Season 3? Saka bakit?
Yung Judiciary kasi outside shooting, meron silang Midas, tapos si John Hall sa loob. The best Judiciary, Season 1 champion, sana Season 3 sila uli.
AFP pa rin. Kasi yung teamwork nila tsaka yung lakas ng katawan nila talagang nakakapwersa sila Kumbaga, kung tawagin, nakakabaraso sila Pagka gusto nilang dumrive, nakakadrive sila.
PNP, syempre. Kasi nandun yung idol ko si Criste. Kasi para saan, best point guard siya sa akin. Kaya may play sila.
Sa tingin ko, Judiciary. Kasi kumpleto sila sa lineup. May rebounder, merong ball carrier, tsaka shooter. Kaya palagay ko sila magsa-champion.
Syempre doon ako sa champion. Doon pa rin ako. AFP Cavaliers pa rin. Galing nila Talagang ganda ng play.
PNP po. Magaling sila sa 3 points sa depensa nila. Kakaibang depensa nila. Iba yung statistic nila sa paglalaro.
Para sa akin yung AAP kasi noon pa yung talagang team ko malakas Tsaka yung paborito namin si Kiambao.
Palagi ko AAP kasi they have the force. Maganda teamwork nila. Maganda. Tsaka talagang consistent sila Kumbaga, meron silang setup, meron silang play, may running game, may rebounds. Kumbaga, complete sila sa tao. Napakaganda ng grupo nila na kompleto sila sa mga positioning.
Siyempre, Judiciary. Kasali ako sa dating team ni Justice Midas. Isa pa lang talo nila, di ba? So, might as well. Mukhang sila na naman magja-champion.
AFP po. Magaling na sila mag-shoot, magaling na sila mag-depensa, and then offensa. Talagang puro sikito sila manalo.
MMDA at saka Judiciary. Para sa akin, exciting sila panoorin. Kaya gusto ko, may thrill. Kaya sila ang gusto ko.
AFP pa rin Magaling sila sa teamwork, tsaka may outside shooting sila. Impact sila, para silang Wolfpack. Pag umatake, solido.
Sa ngayon sa standing baka makalusot na ang PNP. Although, nandiyan na naman, nakalusot na naman yung AFP Nandiyan ulit So, ang isa pang mga, na mga potential na mag-champion dyan, DOJ, tsaka yung Judiciary Magis, which is a former champion doon.
Ang malakas po na team po ngayon ang AFP. The best po yung mga tira nila, talagang kasado. Napakaganda po ngayon. Sana po, tuloy-tuloy na po hanggang finals.
Alright, at para naman po kay Porky de la Cruz, siya po ay Judiciary Magis dahil siya po ngayon ay naka-violet, binabati po natin siya. At para sa ating mga kasambahay na nanonood po sa atin ngayon, pwede nyo rin pong ipagbigay alam kung ano sa tingin nyo ang pinakamalakas na koponan this season. You can post your comments on your Facebook page, www.facebook.com/UNTV Cup. At pwede din po kaming i-tweet at UNTV Cup. At huwag nyo pong kalilimutan ang ating official hashtag na #UNTV Cup 3. At dili po natin kinalilimutan ngayon ang nagdiriwang ng kanyang birthday. Ay, ito po. Happy birthday to Mary Rose David, kay Norman Cabintoy, at kay Kyla Casiano ng Metro Manila Teatro Cristiano o TK. And at this point, handang-handa na po ang Inares Sports Arena upang magbigay daan sa ating final game for today as the BFP Firefighter goes up against the Season 1 champs, the Judiciary Magis. Pero wag po kayong alis. Magbabalik po ang UNTV Cup.
Ano meron? Ganda yata ng ngiti mo, ha?
Wala po, kuya.
Wala. Ano yan, love letter?
Kuya.
Siya na ba?
Opo.
Kilatisin mo munang mabuti.
puso,
at isip. Luma na?
Opo, Tay.
Alam mo, kung pipili ka ng kapalit niyan, dapat yung mas matibay. Yung maaasahan mo, umulan man o umaraw.
Pero di ba, Tay, pare-pareho lang po yung mga sapatos?
Hindi, anak. Pare-pareho man silang pangsapin ng paa, magkakaiba ng katangian ng mga yan. Kaya nga dapat, matuto kang pumili.
Okay, just moments away from the start of our last game today. Two teams going in two different directions. The Judiciary at 5-1, while the BFP, well, their scheduled last game is for today. They are the only survivor of the three teams that newly joined the UNTV Cup, and they will not make it into the next round. So let's see if the BFP will be a spoiler here today, or will the Judiciary just reassert itself over the rest of the field. I'm sure the Judiciary won't allow themselves to just slip here today. They look like they have a full deck of players warming up, and let's see if the BFP will be able to respond and end their season on a very high note. Let's get to meet our players with the formal introductions of all our participants.
Good afternoon and welcome here at the Inares Sports Arena as we continue with the second round of the eliminations. In today's main game between the BFP Firefighters and the Judiciary Magis in Season 3 of the UNTV Cup. Here are the protagonists. Let's give it up first for your BFP Firefighters. Number 0, Joselito Sunga. Number 2, Adonis Cabais. Number 4, Marlon Centeno. Number 6, Kurt Amores. Number 10, Jason Ocaña. Number 15, Jay Gutierrez. Number 16, Romulo Santos. Number 19, Lloyd Francisco. And number 20, Ross Cartuhano. Their head coach is Ricky Alcantara. Make some noise now for your Judiciary Magis. Number 1, Court Administrator, the Honorable Midas Marquez. Number 6, John Hall. Number 8, John Bergoño. Number 9, Kevin Enriquez. Number 12, Don Camaso. Number 14, Julius Rabino. Number 15, Ariel Capus. Number 18, Jaya Romel Serrano. Number 19, Court Attorney 6, Romulo Paras. Number 23, Rodolfo Reboredo. And number 30, Frederick Salamat. Their head coach is Dennis Balason. Assistant coaches are Art Ramos, Warren Ibanez, and Attorney Georgie Villanueva. Let's first meet the starting 5 of your BFP Firefighters. At guard number 0, Joselito Sunga. The other guard number 19, Lloyd Francisco. At center number 10, Jason Ocaña. At forward number 15, Jay Gutierrez. And the other forward number 16, Romulo Santos. Here now is the starting lineup of your Judiciary Magis. At guard number 1, Midas Marquez. Guard number 8, John Bergoño. At center number 12, Don Camaso. At forward number 6, John Hall. And the other forward number 15, Ariel Capus. Our officials for this game, Alan Manzano, Arlon Crevillo, and Antonio Magion. This is your UNTV Cup. Ito ang bagong game ko.
All set to put the ball into the air. Coach Rolly Magsanok will be joining us shortly, just caught in a tad of traffic. In the meantime, ball game underway. Ariel Capos, more or less standard issue for the judiciary with Camaso. Here comes Midas Marquez, first snap of the game. Now here comes Capos with the offensive carry. Bergoño inside now to Capos. Here comes Don Camaso. His shot, likewise no good. Follow up inside, nowhere to go. Follow up, still no good. 4 tries by the judiciary, nothing. It'll go to the BFP. And they'll walk it up very slowly. Sunga together with Francisco. Into the box we go. Ocaña sending it outside to Sunga. His shot way off. Marquez slows it down. Midas launches. Knocks in the 3. You knew it was coming. First basket of the basketball game. Here's Gutierrez. Jay Gutierrez goes all the way in and is clipped upon entry. They give the foul to Marquez, his first, and the first foul called in this game. Nothing but zeros on our score sheet as of yet. Nothing much happening as Gutierrez took care of the first an Osteogard Gogolao 3, first edition, first installment of that particular three-point shot. And here comes the setup job. Bergoño. Capos sends it out. Marquez thought about it momentarily. Bergoño launches. Yes! And nothing but threes. And warning on delay of game for John Hall, but that's part of the game. John Hall wondering why he was cited, singled out. Lob downstairs, intended for Ocaña. Too hot to handle. Here comes Ariel Capos. Capos got it back from Hall. Good. Shake and bake. Ariel Capos has just made it 8-2. Floater, no basket. Rebound blocked by John Hall, nearly stolen away by Santos. To the other end, Marquez lobs it wide and out. Marquez so far hitting 1 out of 3 attempts. Here comes Ocaña down the middle. Fall away. Looks good. Yes, it is. Jason Ocaña. And Jason Ocaña has just made the ball game 8-4. Camaso. This one will not bite. And on the ensuing rebound play, Fallon Midas Marquez. Judiciary so far hitting 2 of 6 attempts from rainbow territory. Parang may nagkakarpintero dun. May ginagawang bahay yata doon sa kabila. Samantala, Francisco rattles out. Here comes Marquez, 1 against 3. That won't work. That'll work. In the meantime, here comes Bergoño. Bergoño attacks. There's a foul. I'm not alone, by the way.
Present.
Malengkikano.
Absent.
Malengkikano. Timo, dahil ikaw, naubos ni Jolly yung merienda rito eh.
No problem.
Anong no problem.
No problem para dito sa judiciary.
Growing boy kasi yan.
Oo.
Ito, last game ng BFP
Oo,
today.
ito ang
Kasi
kanilang
sila, swan
farewell song,
Farewell
so
swan
to
song.
speak.
Okay, kasi wala na silang schedule.
Tama.
Ang judiciary, lalaban sa Malacanang down the road. Kanina, nanalo ang Senado. Tinalo ang DOJ.
Samantalang sa ating unang laro, nanalo naman ang Malacanang kontra sa MMDA.
Here's Marquez. Oh, that's in a three. Second of the game.
You just can't help but admire the way Midas Marquez has really evolved. From our first conference all the way here to the third conference of the UNTV Cup, makikita mo ibang manglalaro na si Midas Marquez.
Has played himself into shape.
Oh, definitely.
Saka naglaro pa siya dun sa pocket tournament natin.
Sa hirap ng schedule niya, talagang he makes it a point not only just to be here.
Lagay mo, pansunog stress at pang ano eh.
Totoo yan.
Saka timo na wala yung harap ng dibdib niya.
Oo.
Midas Marquez. Ano ang balita ko dyan? Laman daw ng overcourts ng Ateneo ng araw yun. Amantala, Don Camaso. And look at this. We'll get deeper into Ronnie Magzano's insights into this game after this timeout. Ronnie Magsano, i-describe ako. Ito muna, ako muna magtatrabaho. Patrol, I am fit, I am it, 3-point shot. Hindi, ito sa kabila ito. Pang. Ito, ang BFP, the only surviving team out of our 3 new entries into our league. Ano, ha?
Totoo yan. Ang NHA Builders, of course, ay hindi na nakatawid. Bagaman merong silang tangan na isa sa pinakamahusay na manlalaro dito sa UNTV Conference. Yung GSIS, hindi rin pinalad. Dahil nanalong MMDA sa kanilang last play date schedule, kung kaya't nakatawid ang MMDA dito sa ating second round. Pero itong Firefighters at 1-5 hindi natatawid sa ating susunod na pahina.
Ang BFP, matunog ang kanilang presence.
Lalong-lalo na si Berong Bombero.
Pero wala na.
Absent na si Berong Bombero the last two games.
Ang kanilang pinaka-revealing magaling na player ay si Lloyd Francisco.
Mahusay yan. Yan ang kanilang leading scorer.
Ano, gusto ko rin ng effort ng BFP. Generally present silang lahat. And Ricky Alcantara has really coached hard despite the fact that the opponents have been difficult.
Oo naman. Pero alam mo sir, merong isang mahusay na manlalaro to went down with a knee injury. Diba si Sanchez, kung hindi tayo nagkakamali. Double check natin ang kanyang buong pangalan. At,
si Michael Joshua Sanchez. Fire truck. Naalala ko siya.
Yan yung kanilang kamador. Rebounder, pero I think about 3 games ago, nasaktan siya dahil sa isang masamang bagsak. Nasa Makati Coliseum pa tayo naglalaro nun dahil nakausap ko siya. A game they could have won but eventually lost. They are a very competitive unit, but sometimes understanding and finding ways to win here in the UNTV Cup takes time.
That's the DOJ about it. And there is that long beauty by Don Tomaso. All guns blazing itong judiciary today. Parang Senate, may feature kanina, Ronnie. Talaga nagpa-practice na sila ng masinsinan. Kenneth Durendes was talking about the Senate, a team that decided, practice tayo, pasunog pa tayo ng additional calories dito.
Itong best conference ng Senate Defenders and Coach Kenneth Durendes. As we take a look at Midas Marquez hitting another 3 back-to-back rainbow conversions.
3 out of 5 in this quarter.
7 puntos na out of the 21 si Midas Marquez. Parang ganito yung simula nila dun sa kanilang huling outing. Pagkatapos silang matalo for the first time in the conference. We're talking about Coach Kenneth Durendes. Alam ni Coach Kenneth, sa susunod nating conference, baka iba na naman ang level ng kompetisyon. This is their best chance to progress to the deeper round. Kaya minamabuti ni Coach Kenneth, bakit hindi pa natin diinan at dikdikin ang ating efforts.
2 in a row misses by Camaso, but 2 in a row pickups of the offensive glass. Eye in the sky. Capos brings it in closer, a little too strong, and the rebound is controlled by the BFP.
Si John Hall nagbabalik ngayon, sir, after missing their last game. And that definitely solidifies the roster of Coach Dennis Balason. Don Camaso changing that shot.
Halftime. John Hall misses it completely. Lost. Francisco tapping it to Santos. Santos shoots straight. just inches short.
That's 3 on 2, and then you take a 3-point shot, and now you are outnumbered on the return play.
Nice bullet pass.
Previous play, John Hall did not dish off to an open Don Camaso. This time, John Hall made sure that Don Camaso touched that basketball, and that has built them an 11-point lead.
Down now to 9. Romulo Santos, who is a quiet scorer for this team.
Key player din yan ng Firefighters.
Next year, tingin ko, next season, ng BFP, lahat ng bombero sa Pilipinas na tryout nila ito.
Nako.
Can you imagine, buong Pilipinas?
So, no.
And Camaso giving up the foul, jamming the fast break. Chance with the subs to check in. Serrano and Paras come in for the Judiciary. Serrano was our best player in the last game that the Judiciary played. Sino ba yung kalaban?
DOJ. Tinalo nila 102-79. It was a close game all the way to the midpoint of the third quarter. And then Serrano exploded. Not only in terms of kanyang performance, or rather in three-point shooting, pero yung overall performance. Itong si Serrano na masasabi natin isa sa pinakapopular na mga manlalaro dito sa ating third conference.
The heartthrob.
Pwede.
Siya ang ating UNTV heartthrob dito. As the female fans here. In the meantime, nice basket by Cabais, Adonis.
Forma pa lang, Seth. Sniper na.
Pangalan pa lang, matakot ka na.
Oo, set shot.
Here comes Julius Cesar Rabino. Nice shake and bake. Salamat. Dish up. Not counted. Traveling si Paras.
Being tall is not the easiest part of finishing around the basket. Yung
Ito na, magsalita ka. New Moms, bidang nanay, bidang nanay. With New Moms, malunggay.
Guy.
Tatlong beses mo gagawin today.
Nagsabi ba si Jolly niyan sa kasi Chiki?
Hindi sila marunong mo.
Ba.
Serrano.
Kung hindi marunong ang iba, si Serrano marunong ituloy ang kanyang superior performance that gave him the Top Performer Award in their last win. Serrano just making our kasambahays really happy, making the heart beat faster, ika nga, dito sa loob ng Inares Pasig.
Ayoko yan. Just step up. The heartthrob.
Pwede. Ito yung 2-2-1 press na ginagawa nila Coach
Bakit?
Dennis
Akala ni
Balason.
Daniel Rason siya lang ang heartthrob dito? Ano siya? Sineswerte? Marami kang kalaban dito, Daniel.
Guy.
Ako lang ang nakakaloko doon. Tatawa lang yun. Pero ito si Serrano ko ipasok to. Yung araw sandali lang pero nag-i-improve din ang laro nito
At yan ang magpapahirap palalo sa mga makakaharap ng Judiciary down the road. This is a team that is loaded with a lot of guards in their rotation. Hindi natin masasabing point guards kasi puro combo guards ang ginagamit dito. Kila Coach Dennis Balason at kila Coach Joey Yabo.
Ito si Amores, one of the revelations.
Husay yan.
Hard workers.
Sila nila Escalante ng DOJ. Yan yung mga new names.
David Tibayatay, sarap ng buhay.
Hi.
Pang, tres. Alam mo si Amores, I keep telling everybody, really reminds me of Norbert Torres of De La Salle.
The Bear.
Diba? The Bear. Ay, yung tumatapak yung batak niya. Ito, nice shot. Ayaw lang. Rebound controlled by
Serrano.
Takat din pala yung Serrano for the position. Serrano begging for the ball. Shoots. Misses and is going to visit the free throw line.
He's aggressive. Extremely confident. I don't know how they trained prior to the end of the year, rather prior to the start of the year, but he was a different player. After 2014, suddenly his face lights up whenever he's inside. He's so sure of what he needs to do inside, and that's the reason why he has gotten extensive minutes. And a lot of cheers from our Sunday crowd. Eh, nasa likod natin naman.
Ito naman nasa likod, ayaw naman tumili, hiyang-hiya. Hoy mga ate, huwag na kayong magpaka, labas nyo na. Sina dyan? Oh, exactly. Eto na. Uy, sayang. Sayang si Ricky Alcantara was hoping for a running of a play. They might have practiced,
A counter turnover was forced by the firefighters. They are behind by 10, but they have already surrendered 28 points here in the first quarter.
Tira na. Francisco. Yan. Well, DOJ is DOJ. In this first quarter, Ronnie Magsanok.
Definitely they are out to stamp their class on top by 8 heading to the second quarter.
Gumising na at makisali sa masayang umpukan ng mga taga-Pondahan. Samahan sila Karine, Beth Santiago, Don Tenorio, Jimmy Morato, Kat Tony Arevalo, Ponce, Bobby Henson, That Girl, Pangyao, at Minyong sa kanilang talakayan tungkol sa mga napapanahong balita at mga isyong pinag-uusapan. Pondahan, alas 4 ng umaga, dito lamang sa UNTV, your public service channel.
We welcome you to the second period of play, and Ronnie Magsanok was correctly pointing out that the judiciary was off to a blazing start, but look at this. When you're a scorer, you're a scorer, you're a scorer. Francisco going back to back.
5 points in the last 10 seconds, bridging the first and second quarters. Let's see if those last two baskets will be signs of things to come para dito sa BFP.
Kasi dumikit no? Naging 5 points na lang.
Doon tayo babalik sa huli nilang turnover. Seb, talking about the judiciary. Dahil yung talaan kanina, 28-18, bola pa nila.
Eto. Wow. Ariel Campos just turning around and just being efficient.
Talk about veteran smarts para dito kay Ariel Campos.
Nagtagal din sa PBA yan, ha?
As a role player, Seb. Pero in and out sa Alaska Aces. Mabait yan. At
sobra. Nag-coach.
Moonlighting as a coach also for the judiciary doon sa pocket tournament na panalunan nila sa ating pre-season.
Di ba tuwan-tuwa tayo as John Hall knocks one in. Lahat ng player niya, sir, boss.
John Hall's first field goal tonight.
Di ba lahat ng player niya, boss.
Tama.
Sir.
Your honor. Sustained.
Gamitin mo na yung
Judikatura.
Judikatura today. Ito na. 32-23. Marquez. Naku.
That's a good call.
Ano tawag?
Offensive foul. Illegal screen. Si John Hall.
Si John Hall, nakakalimutan niya. Kanina tawagan siya ng warning for delaying the game. Ngayon naman illegal screen. Alam mo yung NHA halimbawa na pag-usapan yung expansion teams yan, magbabago ng lineup yan.
Coach Bennett.
Anchor ng Tibay. Ako yung GSIS, hindi mo rin masama ang team yun, di ba?
Oo.
Maganda rin team. Ito, Francisco, straight shooter ito.
Ang simpleng kanti ni Bergoño, change that shot without giving up a foul.
Kanti talaga.
Oo, yung mga effort sa closeouts, napakahalaga niyan. An open look is different from a contested shot. Ito, open look ito, sir.
Ganda ng rotation. Sayang. In the meantime, here's the push. Gutierrez. Gutierrez wants to go all the way. Decides to kick out at the last moment. Here's an open shot. Lakas. And that is too easy for Don Camaso.
Camaso has really played so well para dito sa judiciary. Wala naman duda kung sino ang best player ng mga taga-Judikatura. Camaso with a total of 10 points kung di tayo nagkakamali.
Talagay ko nga.
Dalawang 3-point baskets na yan.
7:20 to go. Baseline attack. It's on the ground. Alam mo, anong areas of improvement ng BFP? Kulang na ang isa pang scorer.
Slasher, Seb. Slasher at isa pang shooter. Kasi sa paniniwala ko, dapat laging kanto ang atake mo. Ibabaw,
Yun ang points of
kaliwa
attack
at kanan. Kung wala kang poste. Ayun, kung may poste ka, okay kang dumikdik sa loob. Pero itong si The Bear Jr., hindi naman talaga siya poste. Inside player, pero hindi back to the basket player. That's a totally different thing.
Marquez. Layo. Either on target o layo ni Midas ngayon. Uy, shake and bake. May foul. Sabit. Sino yung gumulong? Si Bergonia. Parang yung galaw ni Yi. PBA. Marky ba ang pangalan?
Mark.
Yung pinalipad niya yung dalawang player. Lumipad. Meantime, with the first. Ito, wow! Sabit. Nakatakot siya.
Yung mga players na marunong bumagsak pag ganyan, kinakapitan nila yung mga fake para hindi sila mapilayan o mapalian dahil alanganin talaga yung landing mo.
John Hall zipped it inside and he knew that the pass was a little too strong and off tangent.
Masyadong mababa for Capos who had Amores sealed underneath.
Second quarter is down to 6 minutes and 39.
Sinasabi ko, Seb, matangkad si Amores pero mas high post attacker siya kaysa rin sa dik-dik doon sa loob.
Sabi ni Bergo, sali ako sa party. Ayaw. Tapos, plucks it. Mahirap kalaban talaga ang judiciary. You gotta catch them on their off day when they're not as interested in the game.
Yes.
On that, yung off yung focus nila.
Totoo yan. May mga ganong laro itong judiciary pero ngayon, hindi natin nakikita yan.
The only lone back game was that loss they had to PMP when they were already ahead by 15.
After that, Coach Dennis Balason learned this lesson although the hard way. Pinapace na niya si Don.
Parang hindi ko nakita si Joey Yabot doon eh.
Si Warren Ibanez ang kasama ni Coach Dennis Balason.
Let's take a break. We have a timeout. Back in a moment.
Ano ba ang mga katangiang hinahanap ng mga Pilipino sa Pangulong nais nilang maglingkod sa bansa? Pakinggan ang mga salita, tunghayan ang mga mukha. Ikaw, ano ang nais mong katangian ng iyong Pangulo? Ang Pangulo ko.
Ayos! Yan ang shot of the day. Direct, go. Osteogard, go. Galaw tayo. Mamaya na. Sige, mamaya na. Pakita na. Osteogard, go. Galaw.
Wow! Isa lang. Late sa direct eh. Wala mo, direct ha?
Kasi 9.
Oh.
Okay, buhay ha. Okay.
Wow.
Sige.
Masakit eh.
8 points. Amores. Ayaw. Rebound. Pinaglalaban. Ocaña with a hand on it. May foul si Ocaña. Si Ocaña lagi natatawagan ng second motion. Pero ito first pa lang niya.
Basketball is a game of possessions. And right now, Judiciary has 8 possessions more than the Firefighters. Dahilan kung bakit 8 ang kanilang kalamangan. Ang tindi rin ng rebounding edge na dito. Kung tama ito, 23-6 ang rebounding count.
And here comes Ocaña picking it up. And Gutierrez trying to establish control over the ball. Pwede masamang team itong BFP. Pa-practice naman, you can tell naman eh. Pero
sistema, Seb.
Oo naman. Well coached naman ito si Francisco. Kaso yung opensa nila, tama ka eh. Nauubusan ng options dahil yung loob nila, hindi naman ganun kalakas ang post action nila eh. Lobo ang pasa, hinabol. Buhay pa. Setup job. Camaso nag-aabang lang. Ayaw talaga pumasok yung tira. Tapos, sabi niya, ako naman. Malakas. Ako na. Sige na nga, Don.
Once
Tira mo
again,
na nga.
rebounding, Seb. Continues to be a problem para dito sa white shirts. Mabuti hindi tumatama sa tres masyado itong Judiciary. Although meron na silang 6 na 3-point conversions out of the 34 points. That is over half their total output. Mas marami pang tira sa tres itong Judiciary kaysa sa mga 2-point attempts nila.
Actually. Kasi paano maagod muna eh.
Totoo yan.
And yung frequent line dyan, they fell in love with the 3-point.
And that's why the Firefighters have to do a better job blocking out the inside players of Judiciary dahil nakakapulot, nakakaulit at hindi sila makatakbo even with those long rebounds.
Saka alam mo, game na eh, no? Tapos na yung ma-intimidate kay Don Camaso eh. Game na. Tulak na.
I like that shot. I like that. I like that open look. A simple pass by Don Camaso.
Ito gumagaling itong Rabino. Yung as they get to distribute the minutes a little more, they spread it a little more, nagiging confident ang players. Like si Serrano.
Nadagdagan sila sa rotation nila, Seb, dahil si Serrano nasama sa rotation ng mga guards. Kaya si Capos can play the 4 spot already para sa kanila.
O nga, no? Now that you mention it. Ay, nakalibre si Don. Ayaw. Kahit naman ng pro career ni Camaso, ganyan naman yung laro niya.
Nakaapak ng paa si Gutierrez yan.
O hindi kanila ang bola. Hindi mabigyan ng injury under, pero okay siya. Tumayo. Yun. Pwedeng ika-ika na siya.
Kaya Seb, palabas na siya.
Nakaapak siya. No?
Ayun. Pag-landing niya dahil humabol si Ariel Capos pero inadvertent yung contact na nangyaring yun. Sa ating second quarter, 8 puntos para sa magenta shirts, 8 puntos para sa mga tropa ni Berong Bombero.
The Bomberos. Tapos. Oh, nice turnaround shot. Yung Kartuhan. Gusto ko yung pangalan eh. Kartuhan. Parang siyang player ng Mapua or something, di ba? Camaso gets it to strike the lane.
When they step inside the 3-point line, tumataas yung porsyento nila. When they continue to fire from the long court, bumababa naman yung kanilang accuracy. And finally, Don steps in. It's a mid-range shot. Walumuli kanilang kalamangan.
Actually, if not for the 3-point shot,
dikit, no? Mas dikit pa to.
Closer game. Here comes Serrano. Backing foul.
That's a good foul to give up. They were outnumbered. Serrano was not willing to give up that pass down the middle. He put his head down, tried to attack. Once again, eliciting cheers among our kasambahay.
Swing to the side. Nice drive. Oh, malakas na.
But still was able to attack the basket. Attacking the closeout, looking for a higher percentage shot. Although hindi tumama, hindi sila natakbuhan in the return play.
Dito ka rin ba bukas o sa
arena?
Sa arena. Na oras yung laro?
3 o'clock.
Another lively weekend for you. Or straight into the week, actually. Nice steal. Kala ko hindi pa rin papasok eh.
His body build belies the fact that he is full of energy, especially on the defensive end. And such a key personnel dito kay Coach Dennis Balasan itong si Salaman.
Ito si Robino. Ito yung rat-rat brigade nila. Pag gusto nilang tumakbo, pwede.
Makakatakbo sila kung makaka-force sila ng turnover at talagang kukulitin nila yung mga ball handlers ng kalaban. And in the last 2 plays at least, ang Judiciary umasa ng gusto sa kanilang depensa dahilan kung bakit may layup. Salamat kanina at may 2 free throws ngayon. Itong si JC Rabino.
Ito smaller version pero muscles din ito Pwedeng dumikit kay Ed Cordero at kay John Hull ito. Pocket version. Tingnan mo. Hindi bahay ang binubuhat nito. Yung mga courthouse sa buong Pilipinas.
Hindi ko nakikita si Chua. Oo, kaya palitan lang sila, maikli ang rotation nila sa bigs. Parang konti players ngayon ng judiciary sa kanilang rosters.
Parang may assignment, no? Parang may trabaho. Akala ko si Chua, Chan pa rin may tatawagin.
5-0 run para dito sa judiciary.
Akala ko tatawagin mo pa rin Chan.
Nahihiya nga ako sa kanya eh.
Okay lang. Basta napapansin mo siya. One of our original players.
Na talagang iniba ko ang circuit. Kulang ako sa malunggay.
Malunggay. Samantala, Santos has high. Alam mo, naglaro nung araw ito. Saka na-impatient din ito pag hindi dumarating ang bola sa kanya kagad. Merong ganong player, ano?
Kasi nga, you want to get into the flow of the game too much.
You should know that, having fed such great shooters in your career. Great pass.
A lot of English on that difficult angle. Serrano knocks in another 2. Serrano, 7 points off the bench once again. Efficient performance from Serrano.
He looks like a younger version of Chris Chu.
Tingin?
Biglang tingin, di ba? 34 seconds remaining. We have a timeout. Let's use it.
Mr. Public Service Kuya Daniel Razon received the Makabata Star Awards at the ENAC TV awarding ceremonies for 2014. Kuya Daniel was acknowledged as one of the most admired and child-sensitive personalities in television. Congratulations, Kuya Daniel Razon. To God be the glory.
Ayun, kita mo yung dancer sa gitna. Mamaya, pasayawin niya na matagal yan, ha?
Saan nakuha yung mga gano'n? Yung parang LED na...
Ewan ko, tatanungin ko yung mga yan.
Kunin ko na lang kaya.
Bakit? Akin mo, para sa players mo?
Ay, lagay ko malunggay, guy.
O, sabihin mo, full court press.
Sa football yun eh, di ba? Di ba pag yung nagsasab sila?
Rabino.
It has been a Rabino, Salamat, and Serrano show in the latter part of the second quarter. Shot clock winding down. Pero in the second quarter, and Kabanting cleared the 4 spot, yung quickness factor has pushed the judiciary into creating more stops, and this is already a 9-0 blast to close out the second quarter. There's a 10-0 run already.
And we're down to the last 20 seconds of the second quarter. It's been dominated by the judiciary. Ricky Alcantara shaking his head. His team hit by a thunderstorm and everything else here in the last 2 minutes. Nice drive dish. Tough angle, that should count. Cartojano making sure that that went in. But it's been an all-judiciary show, Ronnie.
It was a close fight up to the last minute of the second quarter. Then suddenly, bumulusok ang judiciary. Lamang ng 17 patungo sa final half.
Let's send it to Ryan.
Thank you, 7 Coach Ron. At habang nasa halftime po tayo ngayon, we would like to take this opportunity para pasalamatan po ating mga sponsors. Umpisahan po natin sa official ball na ginagamit po natin dito sa UNTV Cup Season 3, EFS Basketball. And also guard, Go Galao, Patroline Fit, I'm It. New Moms, bida nanay with New Moms Malunggay plus Folic Acid Capsule. Live it, Tibetay, sarap ng buhay. And UNTV Cup also like to thank Mayor Paint. You paint more while you pay less. And Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Walang gamot ang kamatayan, may lunas ang karamdaman. Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Dito ka tatagal, Tatay Efren. Alam kong nanonood ka ngayon. Hello po sa inyo. And Waterboy, pure, safe, clean. And Chef Lara Catering Services, nandyan po. And dito po sa ating venue, pwede po kayong kumuha ng mga flyers dyan. Your executive personal chef. For other details, please call 0949-332-4040. and landline number 899-2162. At sa mga mahilig pong mag-juice na ating mga kasambahay, gamitin nyo po ang Matt Stone, your health mate and versatile kitchen assistant. And K&B Food Services, for inquiries, please call 0917-556-4546 and telephone number 431-5917. And NutriWealth Multipurpose Cooperative, your partner in wealth building, your opportunity provider. For other details, please call 376-0732 at napakasarap ng Ping Ping's Lechon and Restaurant. For inquiries, you may call 741-3027. At para sa mga avid fans ng UNTV Cup, once again, you can like us on our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/UNTV Cup. At sa may Twitter naman po dyan at UNTV Cup. And Instagram at UNTV_Cup. And please use our official hashtag UNTV Cup 3. Ayan po. At para lagi po tayong updated sa ating mga games sa UNTV Cup, you can always watch our games real-time sa ating pong award-winning website, www.untbweb.com. And for our last halftime break for today, eto naman po. Kanina, gumagawa na po ito kanina. Umpisa pa lang po ng ating quarter. Kilalanin po natin ang big man ng BFP Firefighters and Fire Trainee na si Kurt Amores here in Heart of a Champion.
Amores, clean up job. Yes, Amores with a lefty layup. And that's in the bag.
Isa sa mga dominant big men ng UNTV Cup Season 3 ay ang pamato ng BFP Firefighters, ang fire trainee na si Kurt Amores.
Ang ginagawa po ngayon bilang fire trainee is nagde-training kami araw-araw, gumigising ng maaga para sa morning exercise, tapos tinuturuan kami ng mga basic kung paano magresponde sa mga sunog at hindi lang sa mga sunog, pati din sa mga first aid at kahit anumang mga sakuna.
Sanchez with the back pass, Amores with the double pump. The one who started.
Yung training namin sa BP, masaya talaga kasi marami kami. Minsan mahirap at minsan na lang, ini-enjoy lang namin yung training. Kasi pag siniseryoso mo talaga yung training, parang naboboring ka. At siyempre, whole day, start from 4 a.m. ng madaling araw at nagtapos ng 6 a.m. Talagang pagod talaga.
Upstep and pass, Amores.
Yan ngayon maraming tanong na yun, bakit ako nagbubumbero, bakit di ako nagpulis? Parang ano na rin, parang ito na rin calling ko para maging bumbero, para mag-serve sa lahat ng mga tao.
Naging malaking tulong kay Kurt ang pagbabasketball upang makapag-aral. At kinalaunan ay naging produkto siya ng Cebu brand of basketball.
Yung father ko is naglaro din ng basketball nung siya ay bata pa. Kaya lagi niya akong pinipilit na maglaro kasi yun lang daw yun yung punan ko para malibre sa pag-aaral at makatapos ng pag-aaral. Actually maraming school nag-scout sa akin pero tinapos ko yung pag-aaral ko at nang graduate na ako, nag-decide ako na magtrabaho pero may mga ibang coach pa rin na kinukuha ko kaya napunta ako sa Cebu. Parang nahasa ako doon sa Cebu na maglaro kasi yung basketball doon more on physical.
At sa paglahok ng BFP sa UNTV Cup na konsepto ni Kuya Daniel Razon ay nabigyan ng pagkakataon si Kurt upang magamit ang husay niya sa basketball sa isang charitable cause.
Tinatry ko yung lahat ng magkakaya ko, lalo na gusto namin manalo at lalo na sa mga past games namin, talo kami. Tinatry ko na may tutulong ako para manalo sa team namin, especially sa defense namin kasi yun yung pinakakulang sa team namin.
And there's a steal. Amores. Got it.
Message ko po kay Kuya Daniel Razon. Maraming salamat po at pinahintulutan niyo kami magkasali sa UNTV Cup at sana po marami pang mga government agencies na magkasali sa UNTV Cup at sana po ipagpatuloy niyo po ang magandang gawain para sa lahat ng mga tao at sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno po. Salamat po.
Si Fire Trainee Kurt Amores, ang public servant na may heart of a champion.
Masali itong fire protectors once again.
As big as a bear with that inspiring story, siguradong mas lalo niyong aabangan si Kurt Amores sa bawat game ng BFP Firefighters. At dahil sa public service advocacy ng UNTV Cup, sa pakikiisa po ng bawat player sa ating adhikain, ang bawat isa po sa kanila ay kampiyon po sa puso ng ating mga kasambahay. And at this point, we'll take for a short break. At sa aming pagbabalik, huwag po kayong aalis dahil pagpapatuloy na po natin ang sagupaan ng BFP Firefighters against the Judiciary Magus. UNTV Cup will be right back.
Okay, we're just moments away from the start of the second half. My third dancing partner for today is present. Ronnie Magsanok, Malunggay.
Hi.
Seryoso mo yan, ano? Okay, anong kailangan? Seryoso yung huddle ng BFP.
Pero unang-una yung press break nila kailangan mas maayos dahil inagawan sila at halos hindi nila maitawid yung bola from the backcourt to the front court. They were only behind by a 3-possession deficit. Suddenly, 17 na ang abante rito ng Judiciary dahil sa dami ng tapon ng bola ng BFP. At kailangan din, mas matindi ang effort nila to get more rebounds dahil talagang maskada sila. We talk about the possession count. Laban sa Judiciary.
Alam mo, itong pagkalaban mo ang Judiciary, hindi pwedeng pababayaan mo sila to get away with what they want to do. Diba?
Magaling magprotekta ng lamang Bihirang-bihira talaga na...
Except yung PNP game, no, na medyo... Well,
sumobrang kumpiyansa.
At saka sobra inspired ng PNP that day. Ito yung 3-point shot has been the asset of the Judiciary in the first half.
6 of 21, 18 of their total 50 points coming from the Rainbow territory. Natigil ng bahagya. Kaya lang nanganak yung mga layups ng gusto.
Sobra.
Defensive stop, forced turnover. Turnover points at fast break scoring.
Alam mo, wala nga si Joey Yabut at saka si Chua, no? Sabi ni Dennis Balaso sa akin, on assignment daw. Ano ba inaantay ng mga yan? Kami matapos magsalita. Sige na, game na.
Guy.
Ito naman, ito magsasalita pa. Pero yung mga, ang gusto kong point na minake mo kanina, ang daming ibang players ngayon na nag-step forward, step up, at kung ano-ano pa, si Serrano, si Rabino, lalong gumagaling as the years go by, as the seasons go by.
Dito pumapasok yung motivation ng mga coaches. The training that you give them, the opportunity that you allow them to have. At ang isa pa, yung hunger ng isang kupunan na patuloy na hindi lamang maging competitive, kung hindi maging isang primary contender. They are out to win the title. There's no doubt about it.
Yes, that's their mission.
But the more important thing is that they're playing with more effort and respecting their opponents more. They understand that it's going to be a difficult grind, and this formation has made it tough para sa BFP. Nice press break, but Amores misses the bank.
Na-break nila, no?
Ano si Don Sam hindi tumatalon? Na-break na nila dahil nilagay nila 3 tao sa ilalim, 2 sa backcourt, at in-overhead na lang nila yung pasa doon sa kanilang front court.
I think they were so surprised that they were so free, that there was not much resistance as far as the press was concerned. Here comes Francisco leading the 3-on-1. Nice pass to Amores, who has a back-to-back hits by the Firefighters.
4 points in under a minute. Brings the lead down to 14 from a high of 18.
But just as you say that, Midas Marquez is still on target.
50% from the 3, total of 12 points. Sila ang leading scorers ni Don Camaso. Take a look at that spin by Marquez on his 3-point attempt. Parang baliktad yung spin siya, pero pasok pa rin ang dating.
Talaga? Napansin yung iba yung release niya.
Iba. Parang may kawit yung off-hand niya, pero pumapasok pa rin.
That just refused to drop in.
They had to make that shot.
Yeah, they needed that. Oh, this is John Hall will... Oh, nice pass. Nice pass. Nice dish.
And because John Hall saved that play, Bergoño was able to play the trail job using also a reverse and difficult pectus. The lead now swings back to 19.
Nice pass also. But there's a block. Alam mo the mistake you make against John Hall, you think he's going to go for the basket. Oh, but there's a bobble.
Good chase down coming from Suma. Coach Ricky Alcantara calling play fist. That's right.
Madaling signals, ano, para everybody uses fist.
Ang ganda nang lumalabas dun sa LED niya, sir. Incredible Hall. Ayun, no? Kita-kita mo. Malaki ang font.
Gamitin mo na nga as coach. Pag yan hindi pa nakuha ng player mo, ewan ko na lang. Kita rin ang kalaban, ano?
Oo nga, ano?
Kita rin ang kalaban, ano? Minsan.
Aray?
Hall. Oy, double.
Eh, sa pulse mo kasi, kaya na double eh.
Kaya nga.
I think Hall has a point.
Kaya siya naiinis.
Oo, sa pool talaga. Kaya mabibitawan mo. Dahil may pendong eh. At ang double masakit dito, Seb. Eh, mawawala yung pasadyato. Kasi talagang napalo at napendo. Ayan.
Napendo. Nabanggit ni Dennis Balason nga, wala si Joey Yabut at saka si Chua, si Rodel. Sila on assignment. Si Rodel, utility worker, kasama sa purchasing group yata. Nasa probinsya sila ngayon. So nanonood siguro si Joey at saka si Rodel sa mga sandaling to. Ang tinyaw, laban. At ito na. Nagalitin si John Hall.
These are things that don't happen by chance. These are things that you work on and drill day in, day out sa mga ensayo. Fast break situations leads to better decision making. Right now, Judiciary pushing the pace. Biggest of the game, 19.
Francisco, a long shot ito na. Ganda rin tumira nito. May tira rin ito.
Ayon kay Coach Ricky Alcantara, ACL injury nangyari kay Sanchez.
Si
Sanchez sa kanina, oo. At sabi nga niya, Coach, napilay ako talaga sa pagkawala ni Sanchez dahil yun ang kanyang facilitator, yun ang kanyang best rebounder, yun ang kanyang best player. At hindi nakapaglaro in the last 3 games kundi ako nagkakamali.
Kaya sila nagkatisod-tisod. Kulang ng bala, ano ha? Marquez.
Tayo nag-cover nun, Seb, sa Makati Coliseum.
Makati Coliseum. Gininaw tayo. Open shot. Follow-up, nothing. Wow. Nice defense by John Hall. Alam mo, natutunan natin nung halftime si Amores ay nakapaglaro ng college. Hindi lang natin nakuha kung anong college sa kapaglaro, pero nakapag-aaral siya dahil sa basketball din. Nakafinish siya nag-decide lang siya daw pagkatapos ng mag-aaral, tatrabaho na siya. It's a decision daw between police and bombero.
Pareho pala kami nakapag-aral dahil sa basketball. Marami pong mga student athletes na talagang sports ang nagagamit na instrumento para mas maayos ang kinabukasan.
Saka may chance to get a degree.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Penetration. Nice block.
And this athletes that you're seeing right now trying to serve as current day inspiration sa mga nanonood po sa inyo dyan. Baka balang araw ay makapagtrabaho din sa ating mga ahensya ng gobyerno at maging payak ang puso at tumulong din sa charity.
In the meantime, as we find Salamat grind hard. Ang lakas naman ng tira ni Salamat sa kanto.
Black outside, nandun si Amores eh. Oh!
Good shot. Good form. Si Sunga may tira rin palang jump shot.
Oops.
Take away.
Overspeeding for John Hall.
Here's Francisco. Won't force the issue. Sees 3 defenders, but drives it instead.
It's open court basketball that we're seeing here in the third.
Babaan na sa 13.
Oo. Dahil hindi rin bumababa itong kupunan ng Judiciary sa depensa. Time score, game situation, always has to be a constant, lalong-lalo sa mga guardia. As Adonis Cabayes makes his re-entry.
58-45, a resurgence by the BFP. Let's see what adjustments will be made.
Kung kaya mo pa namang maglakad, tumakbo at umakyat, siguradong kayang-kaya mo pa namang tumayo. A heads up from your public service channel, reminding you to give a seat to your lolo and lola today. This is UNTV, caring for the elderly.
Midas Marquez, I am fit, I am it. 3-point shot, divot. Sorry, Patrol, I am fit, I am it. In the meantime, we go to the corner. So February 22, which is next week, will be the last day we will have 3 games.
Yes.
And starting March 1 and 8, we will complete our classification, or second round rather, with schedules of 2 games apiece, but they will all still be played here at the Inares Sports Arena. John Hall shooting charities. Ang lakas. Incredible Hall. In a just in second.
No problem.
5:24 to go, third. It is a 14-point lead. Nice block. Follow up. Yes. Ocaña.
That inside defense of the Violet Shirts, almost non-existent. here in the third. And now they are counter-pressed by the BFP team. Coach Ricky narrowing the gap, making sure that they stay competitive in this match.
Short, but Don knew where the bounce was and found the right angle.
Shooters will always know where the ball will hit. They talk about bouncing off the rim, kung pasok o hindi.
Most likely the first people to know. Short stand, yes. Gutierrez, who was slightly sprained, who had a bit of a sprain in the first half, seems to be quite all right.
This is a must-win para dito sa Judiciary, Seb. Nothing is at stake para dito sa BFP. They cannot toy around with the idea. Naaayaw itong white shirts dahil mukha dito sa second half. Highly motivated sila na dumikit at maging...
spoiler.
Oo. Sinubukan na nga. Itong si Amores na hindi kayurin. Itong si Serrano. Kaya lang sa lapad ng balikat niya. Ay, kita natin, nasa lapad ng balikat niya. Naging strike. At parang spare si Serrano.
Kasi yun, namimiss kong laruin yun.
Bowling, no? Sakit lang sa baraso the next day.
After a while. By the second or third game, nararamdaman.
Sakit, di ba?
Yung kami dati ni Butch Maniego, every
Saan kayo naglalaro?
Green Hills.
Green Lanes, no?
Dati. Ayun, si Butch member doon, sinama niya ako.
Lagi ako naglalaro dati, kaya lang nahihirapan ako pag sa shooting hand ko. Kasi naninigas siya.
So, nung player ka, nagbo-bowling?
Naglalaro ako talaga.
Diyos ko, laki epekto nun sa shooting
Kung
hand.
malayo naman yung distance ng mga laro, or rather yung play dates, okay lang. Kaya lang, pag dikit, nararamdaman ko talaga eh.
Kasi hindi biro yung kakarga ka ng 12, 14 pounds.
Kaya ang ginagaan ko yung mga bola. Kaya lang, hanggang din ang tama.
Walang pin-action.
Wala. Duck pins ba naglaro ka dati?
Oo, naman.
Mas mahirap eh.
Mas mahirap kontrolin, pero may mga magagaling.
Sumasabog yung mga pins, ano?
Downstairs. Whoa! John Hall crashes to the floor.
This is a very composed team. Let's see whether their composure will be enough to survive the first storm na ibinigay sa kanilang firefighters. Simple press break. Open man underneath. John Hall converting his 8th point and pushing his total to 9 markers.
Si John Hall ay isa man's man. No?
Mama. Baro ba to? Sintibay ng semento.
Oy, nice wave. Guli ka lang.
I thought that was a delayed pass. And that cost Salamat
to
a more open look.
Nag-adjust na yung depensa.
Yes.
Ito. Dapat nung first release pa lang, ano?
Bigay mo na.
Ay, gusto makabawi ng mama. Ala.
The 3 is always better than the 2 para dito kay Salamat. Salamat says thank you for that next opportunity. Lead now has gone up to its biggest, a 20-point bubble.
Kaya gusto ko kay Ricky Alcantara, hindi nawawala ng pag-asa.
Always coaches hard. That's to his credit really. Maski importanteng laro, maski non-bearing game, he coaches really hard.
Pantay. Bakit naman?
Congratulations to Mr. Public Service, Kuya Daniel S. Razon, for receiving his second Gintong Palad Award. The Movie Writers Welfare Foundation recognized Kuya Daniel for his exceptional contributions to the broadcast industry and to the field of public service. To God be the glory.
.3:15 to go in a game. Ito na, masaya na si Magsanok. Bida nanay with new moms malunggay.
Guy. What a
Oy.
guy.
Dublete sa dulo, no?
Ganyan talaga pag delayed ang flight mo.
Ayan. Si Jolly, muntik na kanina. Galing di Polo pa yun. Ay, si Francisco, kumana ng tres.
Walang kesyo-kesyo para dito kay Francisco pag-open. Iputok ang kanyang loaded gun. Lock and load for Francisco. Francisco, 14 na para dito sa firefighter.
For the Bulacan firefighter. Open shot. Ooh, just falling short. No, harangin ka sa gabi. O barkada mo sa gabi, si Rabino at si John Hall, walang tatapat sa iyo.
Para kang pupunta sa daang walang balikan.
Tapos ang aking mga PNP na bantay, si Criste at
Nako.
saka sino pa ba? Si Abaya. Basta tawagin ko yung mga taga-AFP.
Sino dyan?
Si Fernandez, si Pascual, at saka si Roger Araneta. Ayos.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Walang gagalaw sa iyo, no? Pag naging presidente ako ng Pilipinas, na hindi naman mangyayari. Tapos, hindi naglaro si Paul Yamamoto kanina.
May lakad?
Hindi, andito. May box spasms daw siya. Matagal na yan, di ba? Iniinda niya. Joel Villanueva, wala rin kanina.
May lakad?
Unpredictable naman kasi yung schedule din ni Joel. Test daan. Live it! Tibaya tayo, sarap ng buhay. Tres. Kala ko. Di nakasundot. Ano ang tawag?
Foul. Laban kay Capus.
Boy, this may makatikit ang BFP, ha? Hirap depensahan itong judiciary.
Pag nasa tama ang kanilang mood, so to speak, mas mahirap talaga silang tapatan sa lalong-lalo na pag maganda ang umpisa.
Lalo na pag pumasok yung tres nila, yung tira ni Camaso, pag pumasok tira ni Marquez, ito na si Capos.
Kasi unang gagawin mo talaga sa kanila, susunahin mo dahil ang lalaki. Kapag tumama yung tres, mamumroblema ka na. Nice. Francisco is continue to impress para dito sa Firefighters. 16 points in the game para dito kay Francisco.
And he makes basketball look so easy.
Saka hindi dominante sa bola, sir.
Pero yung si 16, takaw sa bola, no? Salamat trying to drive hard. Met two defenders. Oh boy, he got a foul. He'll visit the free throw line.
Substitution. Rodolfo Lemonero for Jabo. Dati naalala mo sir, pag naglaro ka, gusto mo mag-aang ka. Kaya konti lang ang suot mo, no? Diba?
Anong punto mo nito?
Ang dami nang nakatapal sa ating mga manlalaro, di ba?
Ano itong mga kulay itim na sa paa? Ano to?
Meron ng knee protector, meron pang
warmer.
Tights.
Tights ba
dati
yan?
tawag dyan, di ba?
Ewan ko.
Kasi buo na.
Ano ginagawa niyan?
Compression shorts dati. Pero yan, hanggang sa calves.
Okay.
Di ba? Para, sabi nila, para ma-restrict yung movement at hindi ka prone sa injury.
Okay.
Meron pang parang ginagamit sa football, di ba? Yung shoulder protector. Kaya minsan, pag titignan ko yung mga players, para mag-BSM, ang tagal. Hindi, totoo, ang tagal.
Dati, supporter. Knee pad. Or wristband.
Tapos palakpakan na. Lima mo.
Lima na. Or hubat.
Skin.
Di ba na, umabot ka sa practice na shirt and skin. Ngayon, kailangan standard procedure, may practice uniform.
Dark. Pag sa mga professional teams, iba-ibang kulay pa yan.
Bakit? Para?
Kasi minsan hinahati mo sa 3, hinahati mo sa 4.
Okay. In the meantime, Francisco shoots. No. Nakita ko isang practice ng Tokatex. May yellow na sila, may white, may blue pa. Bagay, yun ang colors nila. Baseline inbound.
Siguro tumatakbo ka na naman dun sa oval sa taas.
Doon nga ako nakita ni Bong Ravena, di ba?
Kita mo.
Oy! Muntik na.
Ang ganda ng forma niya, sir, no? Throwback form para kay Cabayes.
Adonis, sabi mo.
AC.
Less than 50 seconds. Tapos, in, out, in. Tres.
18 points from the 3 in the first half. Total of 9 here in the third quarter. 27 of their 77 points coming from the Rainbow territory, back to a 20-point advantage for the Judicatura.
That is the difference in this game.
Oo, dos mo, tres nila. Lalaki lamang lalo nila.
Here's Cartojano. Downstairs he goes, Cabayes. Less than 10 seconds. Salamat wants it. You knew he wanted it.
At the end of 3 periods, it's 77-59 for the Judiciary.
And at the end of 3 quarters, it's 77-59. We'll need one more quarter to complete the game.
Have yourself a new dimension of what a morning should be. General information that broaden our minds. Entertaining and interesting topics that enrich our beings. And what can you ask for? Free consultation on air. Start your morning right with Good Morning Kuya.
Ito ang ating UNTV medical
Ako, bayani
team.
natin yan, sir.
Oo, ito naman ang OsteoGuard Gogalaw Tres ni Capus. Itong mga medical team natin, marami na rin natulungan na lumabagsak, na i-sprain, yung first aid na kailangan. Ito, last quarter na ng BFP dito sa tournament.
Tingnan natin kung meron silang maliit na mirakulo na magagawa upang ma-sway ang Agos sa kanilang banda, because right now in terms of rebounding, they are 19 rebounds less than Judiciary. 8 assists more meron ng Judiciary. At ang 3-point shooting, napakalaki. That meron hawak ang Judicatura na 27 minus 9, 18-point advantage in terms of 3-point shooting. Pati sa free throw set, 14 of 19 ang Judiciary, 7 of 10 ang BFP.
Eto, nag-a-apply ng pressure sa backcourt ng BFP. Here's Reboredo. Campos trying his luck again from afar, nothing there. Here's Cebuano player Amores. Penetration, just short of that try by Ocaña. He'll visit the free throw line.
I'm really looking forward to the Firefighters rejoining us for our next conference. Maging yung ating dalawang expansion clubs para hindi teams na hindi pumasok dito sa ating second round.
Hindi masamang teams yung mga natanggal. The HOR has to really beef up. They have no question. They have to add some more people there.
Some more people who can be present sa mga lagas.
Exactly. Atoy Ko is giving a shooting lecture on the other side of the floor. I wonder why. Free throw. Naiinis siya. Atoy was about 80%, something like that.
Mahigit, sir.
Ikaw, 90K. Sigurado ako doon.
Yan ang mga idol namin eh.
Yan naman, yung 3-on-2, pag tumira ng jump shot, yan lakas ang porsyento.
Walang problema.
Oo. Tetras ang kapan yan. Here comes Francisco. Hang time, inangguluhan ni John Hall, foul. Ayan. Direct, ayun si Atoy Ko. Nagle-lecture na naman. Ayan o. Sige, tuloy mo, Atoy. Kausap yung head of officials natin. One of the greatest shooters talaga. Scorer, shooter.
Nasa top 5, alam ko si Commissioner sa PBA history in terms of scoring. At isa sa kakaunting MVP awardee sa kasaysayan ng PBA.
Minsan lang yata na naroon. Si Bog sa Tornado, 3.
Oo, multiple winner yan.
Si Fernandez, 4.
Dalawa yata si Bog, sir.
2 si Bog. Follow up, yes. Back-to-back pa nga yata kay Tornado.
Wow.
75-76. In the meantime. Ayaw. Ito na. Bagal ng baba ng bola. Ito, naglalakad na ang judiciary. Dito mo dapat sunugin ng... Uy, ganda! Ang ganda ng dinakutang anggulo nun.
It's 21 points for Francisco already.
11 na lang.
Alam mo yung kay Francisco, sir, 33% na kanilang total score galing sa kanya. And it's just disrespecting the defense of Amores. Honest D, nothing you can do about that shot.
79-66, 13 is the lead. Ocaña. Camacho just had a finger on it. Dribble broken up. Francisco trying to establish control over the ball. Had nothing to work with, actually. That hurts. A rally in the making, nipped in the bud, though. Timeout taken by the BFP.
Ano ba ang mga katangiang hinahanap ng mga Pilipino sa Pangulong nais nilang maglingkod sa bansa? Pakinggan ang mga salita. Tunghayan ang mga mukha. Ikaw, ano ang nais mong katangian ng iyong Pangulo? Ang Pangulo ko.
Nagpapatuloy po ang UNTV Cup, 81-66 ang bilang natin. Huling laro ito ng Bureau of Fire Protection at we will say goodbye to them after today's... Sino lang ba ang tinalo nila doon?
Ang tinalo ng BFP ay ang koponan ng HOR. Oo. Comeback.
Hello, pasok.
Kapos is definitely on the roll, especially here in the second half. Campos now has a total of 16 points. And once again, the tripod of Team Judiciary continues to lead the way for them. Of course, meron silang nakaambag na si Midas Marquez.
Mali naman pala ako. May isa pa game ang BFP, ang Senate. Kalaban pa nila.
Next week, next Sunday.
Next week. Last pala nila noon. Ang MMDA laban sa PNP. As Malacanang AFP. Ako tingin ko si Yamamoto lalaro yan sa AFP.
Last triple header na natin yun.
Last triple header. So mali naman ako. BFP will play one more game against the Senate. They won't say goodbye to them, but they're struggling in this one. It's the judiciary has found the solution to everything that the BFP has come up with here today. But take nothing away from the efforts of this guy, Lloyd Francisco. Just a natural shooter, scorer.
Continues to play hard, Sev. Sabi nga natin, that's a testament to the character of the player that you're trying to define. 9 of 17 from the field, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal, 1 block. Excellent across the board numbers para dito kay Francisco. At siyang nagiging hinete ngayon para dito sa kupunan ng BFP.
Anong basa mo sa team standings? Yung MMDA, 2-4 na sila. Gagapang sila, no? Hahanap ng paraan na...
Kailangan panalo na rin huling nilang laro, sir.
Sa PNP?
Yes.
Yep. At sa DOJ. PNP, DOJ ang dalawa nilang laro. Tapos continues to shine. 84-67 is the count there. Coming down to 6 minutes and 40 in our last game here today. Ay, nako. Hirap ang BFP. Ginagamitan na ni Camacho ng galamay. Si Cartojano sabi, sir naman. Binlock mo naman ako eh. Pensa lang. Tutuwa ako sa mga ganyang katatang-katapig. Si Nani Vigilio, si Salvi Realovit, Don Camacho.
Pero iba kasi ito, sir, dahil perimeter big ito eh.
Ito, gaya niyan. Oo, no?
Parang sila na to, sir.
Sino?
Cordero, sila Mike Rayback.
Si Demihilio ba naging kakampi mo?
Hindi.
Hindi. Kahit sa national team? Hindi. Okay. Pumasok. Nakita ko sa Makati yan eh. Ang laki-laki. Binati ako eh. Sir, may trabaho ako sa ganyang kumpanya. Mabuti, sabi ko. Tuloy ko lang.
Dating manlalaro ng San Sebastian, tumawid sa PBL.
Nag-great taste yan.
Oo.
Yung malakas na great tasting noon.
Santa Lucia.
Nakapag Santa Lucia. Eto na. Dalawang sub. Si Lloyd
Francisco.
Francisco.
Masakit sabi. Papahinga mo si Lloyd Francisco dahil syempre halos buong laro na siya. Pero the moment pinahinga mo,
sabit kay Hall.
Para kang nilayasan ng tadhana.
Panood mo na?
Yung mga anak ko.
Tayo, hindi pa na...
Panood ko lang, sir, yung Katsu.
Okay. Alam mo naman, nanghilig namin ni Ronnie Magsano. Sine.
Yung chicken katsu lang ang
89-69 ang ating bilang dito. Yan ang nalalabing oras. Ricky Alcantara, good coach.
Oo, makikita mo, may passion.
Good coach.
Saka he likes pushing his players. Even if they're down, continues to coach. Sabi nga natin, dahil alam niya, the teaching never ends.
I'm sure, feeling ko naglaro din ito.
Naglaro yan, sir. Sa
Saan?
NBA, alam ko, among others. NBA. Tatanungin natin sa kanya, NBA ba o PBL o... Kasi finiture na siya dati eh.
Anyway. Pa, nakaligo. Paul, sabi, offensive foul. That could have gone either way. They were both on the run. Ano yung sabi ng tao kay Hall?
Nag-extra workout lang si John Hall ngayon dahil hindi siya nakapag-gym time. So gusto niyang
mambuhat,
masundot at magising yung kanyang biceps at triceps.
Good ball movement. Sayang, hindi pumasok. Follow up, yes. Dieciocho. Tama ba, Matko? 19. 19. Ala, ay pukul eh. Sabi ni Midas, tignan ko si Midas. Yun yung tira niyang alahoy eh. May biglang release niya. Here's Gutierrez. Sneaks a pass through the defense. Nice move by Kurt Amores. .429 remaining. Into the corner. Midas loads up. Nothing there. That nearly went by. It took short. Cartuhana, no angle. Follow up. Ocaña.
Only the 24th rebound para sa BFP. All game long versus the 43 of the judiciary. Alam mo, sir, may isang manlalaro ang judiciary na halos ma-out-rebound niya ang buong BFP.
Sino?
Si Ariel Capus was 22 total rebounds today.
Kasi ilang points?
22 points, 22 rebounds. Para dito kay Ariel Capus, those are import numbers in the PBA. 8 of 14 from the field, 5 of 7 from the line. Also has 2 assists and 3 steals.
And now, Coach Dennis Balason has unloaded his bench. And the heartthrob takes care of business inside.
Puliman daw at magaling pa rin. At nasalubong ko siya kanina at the end of the first half set. Papunta siya sa toilet. Marami magpapalitrato, sabi niya. Sandali lang ha. Pupunta lang mo sa...
Excuse me.
Resmiuski.
Nice dribble. Nice pass. Oh!
Gusto ko yung ginagawa ni Salamat. Alam niya kung sinong tinitilian. Alam niya panalo na ito. Ibibigay mo yan sa teammate mo na gusto pang kumayod. dito sa dulo.
Saka yung bihirang makalaro.
Oh, that's teammanship.
Excuse me, yung basa ng sitwasyon na tama.
Just being a good teammate.
Atoy ko once told me there was a time, excuse me, then was disappointed in one of the point guards of Crispa. But was kept on sending the ball to him. Sabi niya, hindi ako ang swerte. Kay Bogs mo ibigay lang. Just a recognition.
Kasi isa lang ang bola eh.
But Bogs that was so hot that day that he couldn't hit the mark.
Oh, I defended Bogs Adornado really well, sir. He only scored 40 points a game.
Aray. When he's on, ano?
Na sobrang galing. Hindi magaling ang tawag doon.
Ano siya? Manufacturer ng shot? O natural?
Precise.
Pati yung mga fake niya, no?
Alam mo ang gagawin, pero hindi mo alam kung kailan niya gagawin.
Serrano takes care of the business and makes their hearts go a-flutter.
Tagag.
Hindi lang galaw.
Ano magandang moniker dito?
The Heartthrob.
The Heartthrob.
Tayo lang naman.
Ang pulso ng UNTV.
I-guess nyo nga ito sa Good Morning Kuya. Kung hindi magkagulo ang umaga ng mga kasambahay. Palagay mo, si Rina.
Ano ba? Paano ba mag-shape ng heart sa kamay?
Palagay mo ba si Rina Villacor makakapagtanong ba yun? Si Rina makakapagtanong ba?
Paano magtatanong si Rina?
Nakaupo na sa inyo.
Gumimik. Wala kayo, no?
Tingin mo, gumimik?
Gumimik.
Okay. Sasabihan ko
ano ba kagabi, Seb? Valentine.
Okay.
Nag-date. Hindi naman ang story. Rina, biro lang.
Di po. Hindi totoo yan. Runner. BFP. Okay, I stand corrected. BFP will have one more game against the Senate. That's playing so well. Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Walang gamot ang kamatayan. May lunas ang karamdaman. Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Dito katatagal. Marquez.
Nice sequence for Midas Marquez. 14 in the game for Midas Marquez.
I think he started it. And he started connecting. Wow. Bartojano. Stolen. Bartojano. Santos 3. All over but the shouting. Naman si Willie Hernandez ko na narinig yun. It's all over but the shouting, sabi niya.
Kailan ang summer vacation sa
schools now?
Yes, sir.
Magsasabay na sa UP. Ang UP last year nagbago ng calendar.
Hindi, pero ibig sabihin, katulad ngayong SEM na to.
Ngayon, magiging 4 na buwan ng
Bakasyon.
June, July ang summer classes. April, May, wala lang.
Nagtuturo ka sa summer?
Oh, kailangan. Lagay ko ikaw, babalik na Loyola Heights sa summer. Magpa-practice na.
In 2 weeks.
2 weeks na. Oh, in and out. Pinatatapos ba muna yung dilig?
Yes.
Thank you, sabi mo.
Dahil pagka natapos ang dilig, in 3 weeks, magpubukas siya ulit. Ang dilig.
Game again?
Second conference.
Wow. 40 seconds, here's Enriquez. Salamat. Gusto ipasa sa tagiliran ni Enriquez lumusot Ito, easy basket. 8-0 away from the BFP. They played hard. They played well.
Lumaban naman talagang depleted na ang roster nila. They are playing without their best player na si Sanchez. Francisco did his best, scoring over 20 points. Pero kailangan niya ng kasama. Umaris at 13, Ocaña 11, Gutierrez 11, but they just could not handle the early explosion of Judiciary from the 3. And eventually, Ariel Capos dominated the battle for the Violet Shirts here in the second half.
And that'll be it for this game. 20-point win. Big win by the Judiciary.
And they will push their winless card to 5-2 ahead of the 4-2 in Los Late ng AFP.
And the BFP will play one last game against the Senate. Boy, that hurts. Even Paras scored from 3-point country. Final score 104-81. And the Judiciary is still in big form, Ronnie.
Oh, definitely. They are in fighting form. They are looking forward. And they continue to stamp their class against the opposition.
Thank you, Ronnie Magsanok. You made it. And let's send it over to Ryan, who is with Ariel Capos, our best player of the game.
Alright, thank you, Coach Ronnie and Sev. Ngayon, kasama natin ngayon ating best player of the game ng Judiciary Matches, Ariel Capos. Nanalo po ang Judiciary sa final score na 104-81 against the BFP Firefighters. Ariel, tanong natin dito, comeback nyo against the PNP nang natalo kayo last time. Gaano kalaking pagtuturo yun na nanalo kayo ngayon sa BFP?
Yun nga may natutunan kami dun sa pagkatalo namin sa PNP. Sabi na ng coaching staff, siguro kailangan nating malaman ano yung weakness natin para sa darating na playoffs o darating na mga importanteng game. Matututo kami kung ano yung mga mistakes namin, ma-adjust namin sa sunod na game. Sana darating na game, makakuha ulit namin.
Yan, speaking of darating na game, ang makakalaban nyo dito ay isa sa mga top teams, ang Malacanang Patriots. Napakaganda ng record nila. Same thing sa inyo. Ano ang gagawin ninyong paghahanda dahil isang linggo ang inyong pahinga dito?
Yun nga, naisip ng coaching staff bago maglaro dito sa BFP. Naisip na namin agad yung Malacanang. Sabi namin mas importanteng game yun next week. Sabi namin na kailangan focus lahat na mapanood namin paano yung game plan namin doon sa depensa namin sa kanila. Kasi maganda yung sistema nila. Kaya kailangan mapag-aralan namin kung paano namin sila may stop tsaka maganda yung sistema namin sa depensa sa kanila.
Congratulations once again. Naka-22 points ka, 22 rebounds at 2 assists ka dito. Napakagaling. Ayan, at siyempre babati po si Ariel sa kanyang mga fans ng Judiciary Match.
Una, binabati ko yung birthday po namin, yung boss namin, si Justice Maidas Marquez. Happy birthday, boss. Thank you so much sa lahat ng support niyo sa amin. Taga-Supreme Court, lahat ng mga taga-korte sa buong Pilipinas, salamat sa suporta. Kay Kuya Daniel Razon, maraming salamat dahil nako-condition kami. At sa asawa ko, kay Lot, sa anak ko, si Anju, si Anya, mga Sanchez family and Capos family. Thank you so much.
Once again, congratulations sa iyo, Ariel Capos ng Judiciary Matches, and good luck sa mga susunod niyong game. And happy birthday kay Justice Maidas Marquez. And there we have it, mga kasambay. Another huge victory for Season 1 champs, Judiciary Matches. At matapos po ang ating triple header ngayon, silipin muna natin ang ating team standings. Let's start with the Group A. Nanguna pa rin po dyan ang Malacanang Patriots, 5-1, PNP Responders 4-1, DOJ Justice Boosters 2-5, the BFP Firefighters 1-6. At sa Group B naman po, Judiciary Matches 6-1, AP Cavaliers 4-2, the Senate Defenders 4-2, at MMDA Black Wolves 2-4. Ang overall standings po natin, ang una po dyan ng Judiciary Matches, nakakapanalo pa lang po ngayon, 6-1, Malacanang Patriots 5-1, PNP Responders 4-1, the AP Cavaliers 4-2, the Senate Defenders 4-2, the MMDA Black Wolves 2-4, at ng dalawang nasa uli, DOJ Justice Boosters 2-5, and the BFP Firefighters 1-6. Kaya next week, God willing, abangan nyo ang pagpapatuloy ng second round eliminations kung saan siguradong mas matitinding hardcore action ang muling magpapayanig dito po sa Inares Sports Arena. Adrian ng Teatro Cristiano, happy birthday sa iyo. Dito lang po yan sa nag-iisang liga ng mga public servants ng UNTV Cup. Ito po muli yung ka-sports Ryan Ramos sa ngalan po ng lahat ng bumubuo ng UNTV Cup. Thank you for watching and good evening.
nag-iisang kompetisyon, tampok ang mga papuring awit para sa Panginoon. A Song of Praise Music